Hello friends, how are you? Today I've brought you a book that's called Baby Bird by Joyce Dunbar and Russell Eiter. Let's see what's inside. This is the bird that climbed out of the nest. And flop, 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 he fell. This is the squirrel that sniffed at the bird that fell. Like that, sniffing. This is the bee that buzzed around the bird that fell. This is the frog that hopped over the bird that fell. Hop, hop, hop. This is the cat that stalked the bird. Meow. And fell himself, which was just as well. This is the dog that opened wide and a bird that nearly walked inside. A baby bird that wanted to fly up, up, above in the sky and thought he would have just one more try. Look, look, look. Oh, oh. Flap, 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 flap. And there you go. This is the bird that flew. A happy bird. Thank you for watching the story today. Until next time, bye-bye.